So I was cruising the TikTok shop and I found this mystery bundle. Let's see what's in it. So they didn't mark the outside of this. Well, maybe they got a card inside. Wish they would mark the outside, so I didn't have to go look for them. But let's see what's in here. Okay. We have 3 packs. Let's look at that first. Scarlet Violet base. I'm assuming Japanese, but that looks Korean to me. That is Korean. And I'm going to assume Korean. Okay, and then we have Landros. Melmetal. A Trexis, a Clodsire. Man, I'm bad at this. Unknown. A Cricketoon, and Kindler. Okay. Now, I personally am not a big fan of Korean sets. So let's open up the Scarlet and Violet here. I paid $20 for this. So I'll run the value here and I'll put it in the video. So we got some water. The Go-Go, Scatterbug, Scovillian, Breloom. Oh, and Palmont. I have to check that. That might be worth something. You never know. Okay. Korean sets. Don't know much about them. I think my brother said there's a tear. Oh, there is. Oh, look at that. My brother watched me struggle with these on a different video, and he says, "Hey, you know, there's a tear tab up there, but I can't seem to operate it." So, all right. Ooh, fancy. Don't know if it's worth anything. We will check that out. And then let's check this one out. Oh, there's tear tab there. Well, there we go. Well, there's a full art. We'll scan that and see if that's worth anything. Forgot his name. I'm so bad at this. Someday I'll get better. Someday I'll be good like my brother. Well, thanks for watching.